Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another video about Nameit. And I'm going to use one of the inside the program called Batch It. And I stated in the last video, and I'm not ashamed to admit, I could never figure out print merge. I just had somebody ask me this week something about print merge, and I had no clue. To me, it's like stepping too many steps to get this simple of an idea across that Laser Jumpstart has done with Nameit. So I typed out first and last name, and this is all one. I mean, it's not even two different words. It's all one word. So I created a file with the first and last names, and I'm going to show you how to use Batch It. We could do these individually, but you can, and maybe it's not that much quicker, but if you had a lot of them, you can go to Batch It. And I'm going to clear these settings because I've already put them in there, but I'm going to add, there's the file. I want years for years. I'm going to press OK. I'm going to add another one. This time I want first for first. And because the file has the first in there, it's going to do it automatically. One more, now we need last. And I'm going to go here and select the column of last. And I'm going to press OK. When I hit this button, it's going to do all three things at one time. And there it is. By the time I can get over and get the zoom button, it's giving me the first and last name. They're center justified. They're on the name tags correct. And you could add years to this. You know, you could do a lot with it. And I'm going to do a lot with it. I've shied away from doing large things like this with lists. You know, if you're a bad speller and the person can provide you a list, I've always copied and pasted and put them in there, and the possibilities are endless. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.